Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Thank you for the opportunity to possibly speak at your upcoming event on stress and maybe time management. I have delivered more than 600 presentations in one form or fashion on this topic alone. The most popular title has been STP, Stress, Time, and Procrastination Management. You see, when I first studied this topic of stress management, I learned that about 40% of the stress we feel is caused by poor time management. And one of the biggest problems with time management is procrastination. So STP, Stress, Time, and Procrastination Management, was born. Over the years, my clients have used many titles or themes to address this issue: work and life balance, balancing the quickness, quantity, and quality of your life, change and stress, and doing more with less, and stress management. Are you a burnout? We all know the negative impact that stress can have on our lives physically, psychologically, and spiritually, besides lower productivity, increased sick days, and overall less effectiveness at work. In this presentation, I offer 15 physical remedies and 15 psychological strategies to reduce stress, 20 time management techniques to get more done in less time, and I put off procrastination to the very end and then share the 5 steps to break procrastination. I would love to have the opportunity to have a deeper conversation with you about this interactive presentation and really customize something that is exactly what you are looking for and exactly what your audience needs. It would be fun to work together on your upcoming event.